Hello, hi, and thank you for taking a few moments to check out what this is about. And we're going to be talking about 5 different ways that you should be thinking about in terms of getting started with investing in property. So 5 reasons why you should learn how to invest in property. Now, first of all, my name is Ken Ajoku. I'm a property investor. I've been investing in property for over 25 years. So I'm very passionate about what I do. I'm a mentor. I have a number of businesses that are all around property, but I'm excited to share these things with you and then show you what it's all about afterwards. You can join a webinar, free webinar that I'm presenting as well. So without further ado, I'd like to share my screen and let's talk about those 5 different reasons that you should learn to invest in property. So 5 reasons why you should learn to invest in property today. Now, the first reason is a plan B. You need to have a plan B with this. In this day and age, the way things are going, it's uncertain times. We don't know what tomorrow is going to bring. If you've got a job, do you have that job tomorrow? So you need a plan B. Multiple streams of income. You might have heard this many times said before, and have passive income. So you're not relying on just one form of income. So plan B is the first reason. The second reason is security. Security, bricks and mortar is solid. Bricks and mortar is solid. I've been doing property investing over 25, 27 years now. And I've never heard anyone that said they don't need a roof over their head. Everybody needs a roof over their head. They need somewhere to live. So bricks and mortar are traditionally very solid. It's a solid investment to be in. So people need homes to live in. So bricks and mortar is very secure. The third thing you want to be considering is pension. These days, we're not even sure with the rising cost of living how a pension is even going to be sufficient for anyone moving forward. I mean, will a pension really pay for, sustain you moving past your retirement years? Very doubtful, very doubtful. So it's good to have another vehicle that is producing income so that it takes care of, it can take care, you don't have to rely on the pension. And the fourth one is wealth. I bought property, as I said, I've been investing over 27 years, and I've had property that has gone up not double, not triple, but 4 times. Generally speaking, every 10 years, properties double in value, but I've seen this time and time again with the properties I've had and the properties I've helped people invest in. It's gone up, exponentially. So property wealth is an equity and a capital appreciation vehicle. If when it's done properly, you actually make equity in your purchase. The equity is made later on as time goes on, but also you need to make equity in your purchase. So I can tell you a bit more about that in the webinar that I'm going to tell you about in a moment. And the last one we're going to talk about is leverage. Leverage lending right now is at its all-time high, all-time low. So it's the lowest you can borrow money. In the olden days, it was double digits. It was double digits. Well, people were still doing business. It was a bit more challenging with the interest rate, but right now borrowing is low. So you can leverage that borrowing, use that borrowing to actually buy property with that borrowing and actually leverage that money. So this is a very good time to take an opportunity to do that. So what I need you to do now is if you can go to www.10klunchbreak.com, and once you've got there, you simply click on this button. It says click here. Once you click on there, you'll be put onto this page. You simply add your details there, click on register now, and then you'll be allowed to either watch a yesterday's webinar that's already run, or you'll be able to schedule yourself for the next webinar. Now in that webinar, I'll be sharing free secrets with you on how you can actually do property investing in this day and age, even if you don't have much time and even if you don't have much knowledge. So click on the link below, join on to that, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Thank you so much. Take care. God bless.